Electronic connectors are devices that join electronic circuits. These devices are used in installing, assembling, and supplying power to electrical devices. The two main components of electronic connectors are the housing and the terminals. Electronic connectors have a male and a female component. Keying and locking mechanisms are important features of connectors that ensure correct and secure connections. A strain relief protects the connector assembly from mechanical stress. The number of contacts refers to the number of conductive elements which make an electrical connection. The contact pitch refers to the center-to-center distance of adjacent contacts or pins. Mounting refers to the manner of placing the connector to the electrical device. Termination refers to the method of fastening the terminals. The types of termination methods are soldering, crimping, and insulation displacement. Electronic connectors can be classified based on their level of interconnection. The electronic connectors discussed in this article are board-to-board connectors, power connectors, terminal blocks, USB connectors, and audio and video connectors.